are after big bucks, but they'll have to avoid the whammy as they play the most exciting game of their lives. From Television City in Hollywood, it's time to press your luck. And now, here's your host, the star of Press Your Luck, Peter DeMarcus.
Those are my Joe Cool glasses. I was Joe. Somebody from the audience gave me those. Hi, everybody. How are you? Hi, Rod. How you doing?
I'm great, Peter. How about you?
Oh, I'm fair to middling.
I almost didn't recognize you.
That's my Joe Cool glasses, huh?
Yes, you
That's where they fell off because they realized I was not Joe Cool.
I thought they fell off because you tripped into the podium.
That could have been too. Should we meet the players who want to make all the bucks today? I think we should. Let's start off with our first player, Mary Lee Dalton. How are you, Mary Lee?
That's fine.
That's good. Where are you from, Mary Lee?
Originally, I'm from Trenton, New Jersey, but presently, I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
From Atlanta. That's
Atlanta.
great. That's a great town.
Yeah,
Terrific.
love it.
And you came all the way out here to play Press Your Luck.
Just for today.
Well, good luck, Mary Lee.
Thank you.
All right. Our second player is Lance Washington.
All right, Peter.
Lance, a Marine.
Yeah, I'm a reservist. That's right.
Reserve in the Marine.
That's
Remember
right,
the movie
Peter.
The Officer and the Gentleman?
Oh, yeah, that's
Let
my
me see if I can
favorite.
make you feel at home, Lance. Let's try some of this. Let's see. Marine!
All right.
Always wanted to do that, yell in a Marine's face. Maybe after the show you'll beat me up. Lance, what rank? You're a sergeant?
Staff sergeant, yes.
I see. And that's one of your favorite movies, huh, Officer?
Oh, yeah. I tell you, Lou Gossett Jr.
Yeah?
I tell you.
Do you yell at the recruits like he did?
Well, that's part of it, yeah.
Yeah? It's the fun part.
Yeah.
Are you going to do it with the whammies here? Do you yell at them?
I'm just going to block them out and just no more whammies.
Good to have you with us, Lance.
All right, great.
All right, our third player is our champ, Michael Chahal, with $13,546. What are you going to do with it, Michael?
Hey, I think I want to start a business.
Yeah?
Sure enough.
Monkey business? What kind of business?
I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'm checking it out.
Oh, I got you. All right, let's see what happens today, gang. You
All right.
ready? Give me a buzzing answer, 3 spins, multiple choice answer, 1 spin. Here's the first question. According to USA Today and to the nearest 10 pounds, how much does the average adult American woman weigh? Lance.
115.
115 is the correct answer. 115, 130, or 140, Mary Lee?
I'll say 130.
What would you say, Michael?
115.
The average American adult woman weighs 130 pounds. And Mary Lee gets the spin. Although the women prefer Lance and Michael's answer.
Yeah.
Yes. Here's a driving question. About what fraction of an hour does the average American working man spend commuting to and from work? Lance.
Half hour.
Is it 1/2, 1/4, or 3/4, Mary Lee?
1/2.
What do you think, Michael?
1/2.
The average commute to and from work is 3/4 of an hour. No spins. I love the audience does it. How do you think they feel? It's like an engine winding down. 2 of the 3 cardinal virtues are faith and charity. What is the third, Michael?
Hope.
Is it hope, justice, or temperance, Mary Lee?
Hope.
What do you think, Lance?
Hope.
Yeah, third virtue is hope. You got it. Mary Lee to 2, Lance spin, Michael 3. Last question. What TV personality sings, "It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood"? Lance?
Mr. Rogers.
Is it Mr. Rogers, Yogi Bear, or Big Bird, Mary Lee?
Mr. Rogers.
Yeah, who is it, Michael?
Mr. Rogers.
Do all the Marines watch Mr. Rogers, Lance? It's Mr. Rogers, Mary Lee to 3, Lance to 4, and Michael to 4. Stay there, you're going to make some money when we come back. We'll be back. Don't go away. We're back. Oh, boy, are we having fun. Notice Joe Cool. Can you get a shot at it? Says, "I am Joe Cool." I got a buzz. I got a buzz. I'm not Joe Cool. Hey, what a guy. In any event, We have 50,000 bucks up there. That's not too shabby.
Okay.
You know?
Not bad.
I didn't think it was too bad. We have some whammies, however, so you want to be careful. And we have a trip. And our cow poker, Mr. Rod Roddy, is going to tell us about it.
Today, Peter, we're going to talk about spending 6 wonderful days and nights in the Canadian Rockies, enjoying spectacular scenery in beautiful Banff and gorgeous Lake Louise. This is a fabulous trip, a trip worth almost $1,500.
Well, thank you, Mr. Roddy. Thank you very much, everybody. You want to win this round so you can play last in the final round. 4 whammies put you out of the game. And you can pass your remaining spins if you so desire. Fewest spins first, Mary Lee. 3. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Okay. I'm ready to go to Canada. Let's go. And stop.
Stop at $1,000. First place. 2 spins, Mary Lee.
Okay, I'm going to press on. Let's go. And stop.
Stop at 400 more. That's 1,400. You have 1 spin left. Press it fast.
I'm going to go. I'm going to keep going. Okay, 1 more. And let's go, Canada. Stop.
Stop at a whammy. Well, no dollars, 1 whammy. We now go over to Lance with 4 spins and no bucks. Ready, Lance?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Let's go. Okay, we gotta go. We need some money. We need some money. We're gonna go for the Marine Corps. Let's go. Stop.
Stop at 350. First place, 3 spins, Lance.
What's going on, Peter? Big bucks. We need some money. Big bucks. And stop.
Stop at 400 more. At 750. 2 spins. Press your pass.
We're gonna press. We're gonna press. I'm pressing on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No whammies. And stop.
Stop at 1250. 2,000 bucks, Lance. 1 spin left. Press it or pass it.
I'm gonna go on.
Again, here we go.
I'm gonna. Let's go. Big bucks and stop.
Stop. Looked like a Navy plane to me.
Yeah, I tell you, that's the Navy for you.
You never count on them when you need them. All right, Michael, 4 spins. You ready?
Right, yes,
Here we go.
Layla, come on, you're still with me. Big bucks, come on, let's see it and stop.
Stop at $300.
Yeah.
First place, 3 spins.
Let's go. See those big bucks? Let's see those bucks and stop.
Stop at
Yeah.
$1,000, 1,500. 2 spins, press your pass.
I'll go for that trip. Let's get that trip. Come on, Canadian Rockies and stop.
Stop at 450.
Yeah.
That's 1750. You have 1 more spin. You can press it or pass it.
I will pass.
To Lance or Mary Lee?
I'll get to Lance.
Oh, what a guy.
Give him a
Lance,
chance.
Okay,
it's
great.
yours. 1 spin. Here we go.
I need some money. No more whammies. I need some money. Please, give me some money. Stop.
Stop at a video recorder, Lance. That's valued at $799. Mary Lee, 0. Lance, $799. And Michael is $1,750. You have first place in the advantage. And we'll be back right after this in the Q. All right, we're back. And the Marines have landed.
Yeah, we're here.
We got Marines on the crew here. They're rooting for you.
Right.
And if you lose, they're going to beat you up.
Well, I can't lose then.
That's exactly right. Are you ready for some more questions?
Oh, yeah.
Got it.
All right, I'm ready for answers. Let's hope they match. This comedian who often plays a nerd is known for his trademark, and that is a tight-fitting gray suit and a red, Michael,
Steve Martin.
and a red bow tie. Who is he? Is it Steve Martin, Pee Wee Herman, or Martin Short? Mary Lee?
Steve Martin.
Who is it, Lance?
Pee Wee Herman.
That fashionable outfit is a trademark of Pee Wee Herman. You got it, Lance. And you get the spin. Well done. Number 2. What nickname did Mildred Dietrichson, Oliver Hardy, and George Herman Ruth have in common, Lance?
Babe.
Is it Babe, Gypsy, or Toots? Mary Lee?
Could I have the question again?
Sure. What nickname did Mildred Dietrichson, Oliver Hardy, and George Herman Ruth have in common?
Babe.
What do you
It's
think,
Babe.
Michael? They were all nicknamed Babe. Yeah. Right. Mary Lee a spin, Lance to 4, and Michael gets a spin. Silver, Trigger, or Bullet? What was the name of Roy Rogers' famous horse, Lance?
Trigger.
Is it Trigger, Silver, or Bullet, Mary Lee?
Trigger.
Who is it,
Yeah, it's
Michael?
Trigger.
Yeah, Roy Rogers' horse was Trigger. Mary Lee, 2. Lance to 7. Michael to 2. Lance is responding to the call. Of course, there's a couple Marines out here with brass knuckles. According to fashion experts, the new spring styles represent the high C's. Curvaceous, classical, casual, and what's the fourth? You guys are not into the high spring styles. I'll give it to you in multiple choice. If you're right, you get a spin. The new spring styles represent the high C's. Curvaceous, classic, casual, and is the fourth costly, comfortable, or colorful? Mary Lee?
Colorful.
What do you think it is,
I'll
Lance?
say colorful, too.
What would you say,
Colorful.
Michael? You guys don't know nothing. That fourth fashionable C is comfortable. And Mary Lee stays at 2, Lance at 7, and Michael at 2. And you know what happens next? Big Bucks. We'll be back with Big Bucks right after these words. How about some big bucks, gang? That sound pretty good?
No problem.
$1/10 $1 million? Sounds like a lot of bucks. It is a lot of bucks up there. There are some whammies. You obviously know about that. You don't want any part of them. How about another trip? Yeah. Let's hear from our own little Jamaican rummy who is going to slide under his limbo stick. Mr. Roddy.
It's time to limbo, Peter. One of today's lucky winners can find himself in the land of the Calypso because it's a fabulous trip to Jamaica. Up on this big board, it includes 7 tropical nights on the romantic island of Jamaica. This is a fabulous trip worth over $2,500.
Oh, nice trip, gang. All right, Michael. 1,750 clams. You have earned the distinction of playing last in this round, so you get to relax while Lance and Mary Lee go at it. And Mary Lee, you're first with $0, 2 spins, 1 whammy. You ready?
Okay, I'm
You're playing
ready.
for the state of Georgia. A lot of pressure. Here we go.
Big bucks. Okay, come on, big bucks. Let's go. Stop.
Stop at $1,500. That's second place, Mary Lee. 1 spin.
Spin. Come on, I need big bucks. Big bucks now, Ed. Stop.
Stop at $1,500. About 3,000. First place, Mary Lee. Lance, the Marines are up.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Ready.
799, 7
Need
spin.
the money. Big bucks, big bucks. No more whammies, big bucks, and stop.
Stop at a whammy.
This ought to do it. Oh, no. Oh.
You want to talk to the Navy for a bit, or what do you think?
Well,
6 spins left.
okay.
Let's do it.
We can do it. We got to go. Let's go. Let's go. Big bucks. Big bucks. Please. Big bucks. And stop.
Stop and pick a corner, 1,400, Portugal or 1,250.
Portugal.
Going to Portugal, says Lance. $2,188, second place, 5 spins, Lance.
Okay.
Here we go.
Let's go. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Big bucks. And stop.
Stop at 750. 29.38. About $62 out of first place, 4 spins, Lance.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Go again.
We got to go. We're gonna go. Big bucks. Big bucks. Big bucks. No more whammies. Big bucks. And stop.
Stop and go back 2 space to 4,000 and a spin. 6,938, Lance. 6,938. And you have your 4 spins. Rush or pass, first place by 39.38. Here we go.
Go. Big bucks. Big bucks. Big bucks. No whammies. Big bucks. Please. No whammies. Stop.
All right. What do they say? When things get tough?
Tough get going.
I hear you. Here we go, Lance. One more whammy, you'll be out of the game. You don't want that. 3 spins. Here we go.
Go. We can do it. We can do it. Do it. Stop.
Stop at 1,000 and a spin. Third place, still 3 spins, still 3 whammies, Lance. Press or pass.
I got to go.
Gonna go again. Here we go.
Please. Big bucks. Big bucks. Big bucks. Stop.
Stop at $2,000. 3,000 ties you for first place, Lance. 2 spins, 3 whammies. What do you want to do now?
Okay, if I would have passed, it would go back to
Mary Lee.
I got to go.
Gotta go.
We can do it. Big bucks. Stop.
Stop at $1,400. 4,400, Lance. First place by 1,400. You have one spin left. What are you going to do with it? Here we go. All right, a big spin for Lance. Let me take the game.
No whammies.
Stop at $500. All right, Lance, you beat back the whammy. $4,900 first place, 3 whammies. Whoa, let's go to Michael, 1750. You got a tough guy you're up against,
No
Michael.
problem.
Here we go, 2 spins.
We're talking Lady Luck in there. Big bucks. Come on, big bucks. Stop.
Oh, whammy.
It's coming to me now. I see financial disaster in your future.
Okay, it's you and the Marines, Michael. You have one spin
Big
left. You'll have to
bucks
get something
and
more
one
than $4,900 to beat Lance. You can pass the spin to Lance. If he whammies, Mary Lee will take you back to Atlanta.
I'll go.
Here we go. Michael, spin. Lance, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Big spin. Here we go.
Come on, big bucks. Big bucks, and stop.
Stop it. Big bucks. 5,000 and a spin. But it's not over. You're $100 in the first place, but you have one spin. You're going to have to either take it or pass it to Lance.
You're gonna go.
You're going to go for it.
Big bucks again.
Got to get some money here. Get a whammy. It's Lance. Are you ready?
I'm
ready.
Lance and Michael. Here we go.
Come on, ladies at work luck. Come on. Big bucks and stop.
Stop it. Move one space. 1,000 in a spin or 1,250.
1250.
1,250. You did it. You're the winner today with $6,250. What a game. Wow. We'll come back and talk to Michael after these words. Woo! We're back with today's big Trust Your Luck winner, Michael, with $6,250. Michael, the news is, I am not Joe Cool. But the real Joe Cool is going to tell you about what you've won. Joe?
Like Michael. Oh, Michael, you have won all cash.
Nice going, Michael. $6,250 added to your previous total of $13,546 gives you a grand total of $19,796.
No problem.
Frightening amount of money, Michael. Lance, the Marine should be proud. You did a heck of a job.
We tried.
It was a tough one. Mary Lee, you as well. We have prizes for both you and Lance. I thank you for both being with us. I have a couple goodies here. One is from Joanne Felix of Leola, Pennsylvania. One more time, the whammy loves to hear, is just another chance for him to appear. One more time for him to dance and sing, but a lot of unhappiness for you he'll bring. One more time for his band to play and to make you wish you'd stayed in bed that day. One more time, such famous last words, the whammy loves them, but then he's for the birds, you know what I mean? Hey, thank you, Joanne. Hey, Rod, come on over here and read. Can you read this last one?
Sure.
You know? I'm gonna bring Joe Cool. Joe Cool, would you read this?
Sure.
Go right ahead.
No sweat, Peter.
Yeah, go ahead.
I can't see through these glasses. I'm glad to...
You want me to
I need
read?
your-
I'll
I need your
lip sync.
microphone, Peter, because I can't... So give me a hammer, give me a nail, give me a whammy to pin up his tail. If you think I'm kidding, just give me the chance. The whammy will be hanging, and I'll do his dance.
You know-
That's Charles
Mazioski.
Mazioski.
You know what's scary is that he looks good. Until next time, this is Peter Tamarkin and
Rod Roddy.
thanks for pressing your luck. Bye-bye.
We're hitting the road
Please show us your baggage. I demand flowers twice a week.
and revealing everything.
I love eating fish food. I always wear a fanny pack.
I'm usually wearing tight pants, so.
I live with my grandma.
I have my own apartment, so you can come over.
Remember, there's always a risk in sharing your baggage.
Baggage on the Road, hosted by Jerry Springer. All new Wednesday, 10/9 Central. Only on Game Show Network.